Okay, let's see this question. One of the best questions I have seen in median, because very rarely do I see this being marked as the right answer. Let's assume the 8th value, because there are 15 homes, so the middle value is 8th. 8th is equal to 130,000 as it is given to you. Is it possible that all the values from 1st to 7th are also 130, sorry. And is it also possible that up to 14th value everything is 130? And just the 15th value is very large, so that my average value is equal to 150. To adjust the average, only one value can be disturbed and the remaining values I can keep the way I want. Is this feasible or not feasible? At least one possibility is this: from the 1st to the 14th value everything is 130 and the last value is large enough so that the average is 150. You are now asked which of the following must be true. Must means no exception, but I have found one exception already. So statement 2 and 3 are wrong, and if I look at B goes wrong, then C goes wrong, D goes wrong, E goes wrong. So I am left with A. Whether you want to satisfy this or not is totally up to you. You want to do one, I will do it for you, but by the options given to you, you can choose one as your answer. Yeah. What is the second statement saying? At least one of the homes was sold for more than 130 and less than 150. Is there any home that is between 130 and 150 here? Between 130 and 150 there is no value at all. So second statement is not compulsorily true. At least one home was sold for less than 130. Third statement is not compulsorily true. Maybe the way we think about median is half the values are less and half the values are more. Is this the way we think normally? But median could be all values same also. Theoretically median could be the same values. If I have a series 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then also the median is 1. So what's not clear? Please tell me now.
The average is 150. So how do we have all values of 150?
Last value is very large.
Then at least one of those should be sold for more than 150.
No. Yeah, please tell me. Yeah, someone had a doubt. Please raise your doubt.
The 14th one can also be 150.
Can be is different. Must be. Can be, there are lakhs of combinations of can be in this case. The problem is must be. Mathematically, is this correct to say that 1 to 14th, all the numbers, all the home values can be 130 each, and the last value can be much more than 150? Whatever that is, we are not, so that my average is 150. To adjust the average, arithmetic average, how many values need to be changed compulsorily? Only one or more than one? For whatever set, if you want to change the mean with one value change, whatever mean you want to achieve, you can achieve. I am saying the word arithmetic mean because it is not available in some other types of means. But anyway, that's not on GMAT. Anything else that is not clear? You seem pretty surprised. What happened? Oh, that's the surprise. Then it's okay. I thought the surprise was you've not followed what's happening. Is that all? That's okay. Any doubts? Okay, move on. Let's see. If you have any doubts, please keep on raising. Anyone who thought statement 1 or no? Suppose this answer 1 and 2, anyway that won't work, but suppose 2 was also right or something, then I need to check whether this is right or not. Also, in this set of options it's okay, but suppose 2 had been right, then I have to check 1 also. So what is the way to check 1?
We will have to put 8 values to
perfect. So this 8th value is definitely 130. The remaining 7 values are less than or equal to 130. Let's say the remaining 7 values this side are 165 each, right? My mean value, even if I take all of them as 130, forget one less than 130. My mean value right now will be less than 150 or greater than 150. Just look at it and tell me. Let's put it here. 8 values of 130 and 7 values of 165. What is my mean going to be? Less than 150 or more than 150? Okay, anyway, what is the mean directly of 130 and 165 first of all? What is the mean value of 150 and 165? 130 and 165. Less than 150? Surely less than 150? Now the weight is also on this side. So to make it equal to 150, what do I have to increase? This side, right? This, okay, another thing, I cannot increase this value. Up to 8th value, I cannot increase beyond 130. 8th value is only 130. So what is the only value that I can increase? So I have to increase at least one value so that my mean is more than 150, because right now my mean is less than 150. Sorry, not more than, equal to 150. So clear now? Don't solve this question by actually doing the mathematical calculation about mean. We can just guess the value by this distribution itself.